Sora 2 Unlimited is here on Higgsfield. So let's watch a few examples of videos I created with Sora 2 on Higgsfield.
You know why I stopped you?
Might have been a little heavy on the gas. Sorry about that.
We'll talk about it. Go ahead and grab your license and registration for me.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Tired of cluttered cabinets and crowded showers? Meet the brand new 42-in-1 Ultra Formula.
One bottle does it all. Body wash, car soap, toothpaste, floor wax, even pet shampoo. That's 42 products in one powerful bottle.
Watch this.
Introducing Tesla's new Fly mode. Drive less, fly more. Because you never know what life will throw at you. Protect what matters most with life insurance.
Hold on! She's gonna thread the gap!
I'm holding, just don't hit anything!
Trust her! She knows what she's doing!
This is incredible.
Ready to climb?
Do it!
Hang on!
Baking will never be the same.
So you can use it unlimited. You don't have to wait for the code. No invitation code on Discord or Reddit. So it's unlimited, uncensored, and it's global. So it's worldwide. You can use it in any country as long as you sign up for Higgsfield online right here. And I'm going to show you a couple of things. So on Higgsfield, they have Sora 2 and Sora 2 Unlimited. So the Sora 2 is 480p resolution, and Sora 2 Pro is 1080p, and you're gonna have 4 second, 8 second, and 12 seconds so time, and you can also have resolution up to 1080p for Sora 2 Pro, and so 720p and 1080p, and it has more reasoning capabilities. So it's unlimited on the plan, so you don't have any caps to generate. And actually it's the best. You can do product placement or meme or like short film and videos. I'm gonna paste a prompt right here that I saw on generated with ChatGPT. So this is like a dog driving a car, and a police body cam pulls over on Sora 2 right here, and you can use unlimited. It's not gonna cost you any credits if you upgrade to ultimate plan. So it's up until October 12th, so sign up now, and I'm gonna generate unlimited right here, and 12 seconds. So it's gonna make the story for you, and you can also use 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube, or 9:16 for TikTok and Reels or YouTube Shorts. So this is great, and I wonder if it has like the watermark on it, the Sora watermark. So now let me get another prompt. This is Mr. Crab arresting in police body cam, and I'm gonna paste it in ChatGPT, copy it over to Sora 2, and I'm gonna paste it. So police car flashing lights pulling over resident Mr. Krabs from SpongeBob. So I'm gonna use Sora 2 Pro this time. So Sora 2 is gonna cost a little bit more, like 89, because it's 720p resolution. I like to keep it at 12 seconds because, you know, the longer the better. And also I'm going to use a 9:16 aspect ratio. If you want to try the Sora 2 Pro Unlimited, you have to upgrade to Creator Unlimited to get unlimited access until October 12th. But right now I'm going to create this with Sora 2 Pro and see the resolution difference and also the quality of reasoning. So I've written a prompt right here to ask ChatGPT to create a Sora 2 prompt, and you can do that as well. And it's gonna create this prompt for me, and I'm gonna show this. I'm gonna copy this. So it's a nighttime freeway chase scene. So Mario Kart is being pulled by the police over on the side of the road, and then he's running away from the police. I'm gonna paste that inside here, Sora 2. I'm gonna use Sora 2 Pro just to show you guys the high quality. So 720p aspect ratio, 16:9, which is good for you know, showing it on YouTube on full screen. If you do that on TikTok, just use this. So as I mentioned, Sora 2 is available globally, worldwide. If you use Higgsfield Sora 2 and it can talk, act, it has sounds, it can move like a real director's camera, it has fully synced audio, fast cuts, and then also you can show product placement as well. I'm going to show you that in the next scene right here. And what's good is that it's unlimited, so you can use this Sora tool to generate unlimited videos. I'm going to show you how to upload an image. You cannot upload a human face, but you can use copyright-free character, products, or other objects with the Sora tool to generate with your prompt. So while we're waiting for Sora 2 to generate, so you can generate unlimited per day, I'm going to do a prompt with ChatGPT here. I'm going to ask to make a product, which is a 41-in-2 bottle body wash. You can do car wax shampoo degreaser. And I'm going to use Higgsfield AI right here. I'm going to use flux context. And I'm going to paste that right here. And it's generate these two images. And as you can see, it's 41-in-2 formula. And I'm going to download this. This is pretty funny because it can do everything, just like you know, those advertised. And then I'm going to put this here in the upload image to this right here. And so I'm going to upload this into here. It's going to upload. So while it's uploading, I'm going to create a prompt with ChatGPT, create a funny advertisement, same as seen on TV for a 41-in-1 body wash, car wax degreaser, shampoo, etc. The TV hosts are talking and selling this product live on TV. Okay. So it's going to create this right here. So I'm going to ask it to create a Sora 2. Create a Sora 2 prompt for above seen on TV. We're going to do this and holding up. Alright, so we have this 41-in-2 formula. We're going to copy this and go back to here. We're going to paste this. And we're going to do a Sora 2 Pro. So just to show you guys why it's better. So apparently I'm on the Ultimate plan. So you need the Creator plan to get 8 concurrent generation, because I'm doing 4 generations right here with Sora 2. So we're going to wait a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. So while it's doing that, I'm going to create another short film inspired by SpongeBob that is very funny about recent news. Okay, so SpongeBob and Mr. Crab, that is very funny about recent news. Short film for Sora 2 prompt. So create a Sora 2 prompt for a short film. So you can create short films on Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, and those are actually, you can do like cartoons. They're really good at cartoons. It's gonna cut, do mini cuts for you, so you don't have to edit, and it's gonna have fully sync audio, lip sync, and natural voice based on the character, and which is nice to have. So I'm gonna do this in another video right here. I create this. Excuse me, and I'm gonna go when I create, and it's going to wait a little bit. Alright, so I uploaded a product picture and actually doing a prompt commercial using ChatGPT, and I use Sora 2 Pro 720p resolution at 12 seconds right here, aspect ratio 16:9, and it gave me this.
Tired of cluttered cabinets and crowded showers? Meet the brand new 42-in-1 Ultra Formula.
One bottle does it all. Body wash, car soap, toothpaste, floor wax, even pet shampoo. That's 42 products in one powerful bottle.
Watch this.
Wow, that's really cool. It did the cuts for me, and
Tired of cluttered cabinets and crowded showers? Meet the brand new 42-in-1 Ultra Formula.
One bottle does it all. Body wash, car soap, toothpaste, floor wax, even pet shampoo. That's 42 products in one powerful bottle.
Watch this.
So it got the text a little bit right, and actually it's pretty nice. I would buy this. This is as seen on TV, and
Tired of cluttered cabinets and crowded showers? Meet the
and this would be like a really good commercial. It did the cuts for me, so I don't have to do editing, and it gave me the price as well. And it looks pretty appealing. I would buy this actually. So I wanted to show you guys, I couldn't do like any copyright character like Goku or like Naruto cartoon. So it says, whoops, may go against our guidelines. And also like Mr. Krabs from SpongeBob, couldn't do that. So they filtered it if it's copyright, so they don't want any copyright thing. But you can do other things like uploading your products. So you don't have any ideas of what short films or commercial music video or like any video you want to make with Sora 2 prompt, you can go to ChatGPT and give a list of parody short film, and it's gonna give you a list right here like Fast and the Fluffiest, 2 House Race Cats, Titanic 2, Jurassic Park. So you choose and then play with it, because you get unlimited generation with Sora 2 per day, so there's no cap, but it takes a while to generate, because only have 4 concurrent generation, and unless you get the creator plan on the Higgsfield. So you can do funny music video, fake commercials, parody short film as well, and that's a a pretty good idea. Right, so here's the video for.
Roll that window all the way down for me.
Sure thing, officer.
Appreciate it. Do you know why I stopped you?
Might have been a little heavy on the gas. Sorry about that.
We'll talk about it. Go ahead and grab your license and registration for me.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
So that's a police body cam of a dog pulling over by police. That was used with Sora 2, 720p, 12 seconds, and this one is actually took a while to generate. So here's another video that just finished. This is actually a fly mode for the Tesla car.
Introducing Tesla's new fly mode. Drive less, fly more.
Wow. Okay, so cinematic.
Introducing Tesla's new fly mode. Drive less, fly more.
So this was used with Sora 2 Pro, 720p, 12 seconds, and that was actually.
Tesla's
Right, so this one is done. This is a hilarious comedy short film for baking cookie. So let's watch. Best cooking in town. So I mentioned best cooking in town in the text, and I actually put it in the video. So that's pretty cool. So let's rewatch this. It's metric style. So that's pretty good. I mentioned metric style, so she did kind of metrics right here. She's not falling down. So let's watch this one. This is realistic cinematic with a guy right here flying through a realistic dragon through the city of New York through skyscrapers.
Trust her. She knows what she's doing. This is incredible. Ready to climb? Do it.
Okay, I should have done this with a higher quality. Oh, this was 720p Sora 2 Pro.
Just don't hit anything. Trust her. She knows what she's doing. This is incredible. Ready to climb? Do it.
So this feels like a Jurassic Park kind of theme, and the dinosaur. This is a dragon, so it's flying through the cities of New York, and that's pretty cool, right? As you can see, it's like.
Hold on. She's gonna thread the gap. I'm holding. Just don't hit anything. Trust her. She knows what she's doing. This is incredible. Ready to climb? Do it.
So you definitely would want to upscale this, and then actually there was a girl on here and I couldn't see it, so maybe try again. So I prompted for comedy insurance company commercial, so this is gonna be pretty cool.
Because you never know what life will throw at you. Protect what matters most with life insurance.
Yeah, this is life insurance. Let's watch
Because you
again.
never know what life will throw at you. Protect what matters most with life insurance.
So this is pretty cool. It has the soft piano that I wanted, and then also the music on the background, and then a perfect lip sync for commercial and the reaction, and that's pretty cool. So as you can see, if you sign up for Higgsfield, use my link below in video description, you're gonna get all these tools, so you don't have to pay just for ChatGPT for Sora 2 generation, and you can access it now, Sora 2. So unlimited video generation, valid until October 12th, and this is like instant. You don't have to wait for the invitation code, and you can access to SeedDream or Google Veo 3, Google Banana, Nano Banana, Van 2.5, Kling 2.1, Max Hilo, that's unlimited until October 9th, and just join now. Ultimate is better if you actually use annual. It's gonna be $29 a month, and you can do this inside Higgsfield without any invitation code and without any waiting.